You guys, this is the Atlantic Ocean.
Really? Can we touch it?
Yes.
Here we go.
So you guys, we are doing a quick video because we are in Cape Cod. Decided not to do a beach day, but we did decide to go eat dinner at this really cute place that's only 3 minutes from here. It's up to you, baby. Yeah. And I forgot my GoPro, or I actually didn't bring my GoPro thinking I wasn't gonna make it a video, but I wanna make a video. So come journey with us on this really short, simple video as we go touch the Atlantic Ocean. The kids are over here touching the Atlantic Ocean. Woo, woo. How's it feel, Ava, touching the Atlantic Ocean? Just like the Pacific. Yes, it does. What'd you find?
A sea snail, but inside of those little snails.
It's the Atlantic Ocean, baby. Yay! So sweet. Being that we only were here in this area now for like only a couple days, figured let's just stop by, take a look at the Atlantic Ocean, eat some dinner. We did, and then we'll head back. But thanks for being with us on this very simple journey. We needed this. Okay, I'm gonna share more about the lessons we're learning eventually, but right now that's what I get to share, is that we needed this. Very, very sweet time of just coming over here. So we'll see you at our next video. Have a beautifully blessed day.